Hello guys and welcome to a new video. My hair is sticking out everywhere. Today I'm gonna do the long-awaited video. No, I'm gonna do a video showing you how I installed my diffuser on my car. So I had a lot of people asking, not so much on YouTube but in the Facebook groups, on how I got this diffuser to be like how I built it myself, because everybody's asking where did you buy it from, and everybody is like, can you build me one too? And I'm like, it is super easy. It's the easiest thing to do. You just need time. That's probably most people's issue. Time and the tools. So what you will need, and this is not a good example, but it is. This is the company, the brand I bought it from, Optics. It's a Lowe's acrylic sheet brand. You will need a little bit thicker one than this. This is only, what is that? 0.08 inches thick. You will need a thicker piece, and pretty much, yeah, just build it, I guess. Okay, let's go to the car and look at it. It's kind of windy today, so if I'm hard to understand, I'm sorry. Sadie, what you barking at? Oh, and it's raining too. Great. It was raining yesterday the whole day. Let me switch the camera around again, like always. Okay, so here's the diffuser that everybody's talking about, and they want to do it too. Here you can see about the thickness. It's a little bit thicker than 0.08. I don't really know how thick it is. I would have to measure it again. I'm probably gonna put like measurements in the description. But the way I mounted it, and I pretty much copied Carter's Customs on that. First off, let me see. I'm gonna flip this around. So now under the car you can see I have screws over here on the bumper. So this is screwed into the bumper. And back here, now it looks shitty because I did it myself. But back there I screwed it into the fuel tank cover thing. And I'm gonna show you the tool I used to do that. And then the fins, this is all made out of these acrylic sheets. And they are just screwed in with these angles, these triangular metal pieces right here with screws. And this is solid, like I can rip on this thing and it doesn't go nowhere. So now let me show you what tool I used to get this solid. Okay dog, we got it. Don't have to fuck around the whole time. The tool I bought is from, oh wow. Yeah, the tool I bought is, damn, I don't even know what it's called. There's no name on it no more. I'm also gonna try to find it in the video description. But this is the tool. There's no name on this either. Looks like this. I totally forgot what it's called, so I cannot tell you at all what it's called. Okay, I'm back. I had to research this thing. So this is a riveter tool, and this is, it's like a rivet gun, like rivets, like, let me see, do I have regular rivets? I do have regular rivets because I have a rivet gun. So I do have regular rivets somewhere. I don't know where I have my rivets. Oh, right here. So this is a rivet. They are used to, you know, put stuff together. Yeah, it is like a rivet gun. Not rivet gun, like a rivet plier clamp thing. And this pretty much gives you, this goes inside a hole that you drill in the gas tank cover, and then you use the rivet thing to squeeze it together so it cannot come out anymore. And then it has threads on the inside where you can screw in a screw, and that way it's tight. So you pretty much create new screw holes. That's pretty much it. Then I just used black paint to get it black, and then I used, to make it a little bit more poppy so it pops out, you know, it's more visible. I bought these reflective strips. I also bought these from Harbor Freight. They are red and green, so you can decide if you wanna red and green? What? Red and white. And then you can decide if you wanna put a red or a white one of those strips. I cut these to size. You can just stick these on the back of one of the fins of the diffuser. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The big long piece, like this is about the same size as this. What size is this? This is like a 18 by 24 inch. Yeah, maybe a little bit longer. And the way you can, the gas tank is slanted. It's not straight. So the way you can, and then after it's slanted, it goes straight under your car. Then you can just use a heat gun. I use the heat gun to kind of bend the acrylic sheet so it's kind of flush. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I can say about it, because that's all you have to do. It's pretty easy. There's also tutorials on YouTube on how to build them like in detail, but they use different materials. I think some of them use wood, and if you want to go cheap, go with wood. If you guys have more questions, let me know. Happy to help with any questions about it. I don't think there's anything else I can show you. Oof, it's cold. Cold, rainy, windy, it is everything today. And I'm running around with a t-shirt. There you go. Okay, so, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me switch the camera for you guys one more time. So, this is pretty much it. It's kind of hard to show you because it's bright outside, so it doesn't really get dark under there. But yeah, it's a bigger piece. It's pretty long actually. But yeah, I hope those shots kind of helped. And yeah, and then you just put these small strips on here so it kind of pops out a little bit. At night these shine when a car is putting light on it, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this small, I don't know, how to build your own diffuser kind of video. If you have more questions, just let me know and I am trying to help you. But until next time, bye!